Yo, what is up, everybody? Bradley Walker here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a trade recap on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. And make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video. I got something fire that I'm going to share with you guys, so you do not want to miss that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our videos. We're dropping content 7 days a week for you guys, so definitely make sure you stay up to date on all of our content. Make sure you also check out the links in the description of this video. Sign up to our free Forex trading course where you can learn the basics of how to trade the largest financial market in the world. You can also get 7-day free access to our Discord community where you can start trading with us on a daily basis. You can sign up to our recommended brokerages. You can sign up to Robinhood and Webull and get a free stock on us. And make sure you follow us on all major social media platforms. I'm gonna hop over here to the MetaTrader 4 platform and do a recap on this trade for you guys. We call this out to our Discord community. You can see the trade up here in the top of the corner of the screen. So we call this out to our team. You do not want to miss these trades. So definitely hop into our Discord community. But we're going to hop over here to the MetaTrader platform and going to give you guys a recap on the US dollar versus Swiss franc. And then I'm going to share something a little bit extra with you guys at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Let's go. All right, guys, so hopping right into the charts, you can see right here, we are on the 4-hour with the US dollar versus Swiss franc as the pair that we are trading. We're already out of this trade. This is not by any means saying, hey, go hop into this trade. We are already out because we got confirmation on a nice exit point. We're going to show you guys a recap on this. You can see our entry point being right here at 0.9223. Our stop loss being here at 0.92003. So risking 30 pips on this trade. And then our take profit was up here around the 61.8 zone on the Fibonacci at 9323 for a 100 pip gain. So looking to make 100 pips on this trade and also risk 30 pips on this trade. So definitely a nice risk to reward ratio. I'm going to show you guys a few reasons why I took this trade. So let's check it out. So as you can see over here to the left, guys, we were in a bit of a consolidation zone. So there wasn't much strength in either direction going back and forth on this thing for quite some time. You can see that similar pattern here on the RSI. We were down near the oversold point, kind of just rode out the middle here a bit, became overbought slightly, overbought again, kind of riding out the middle again here before this last pump where we actually made higher highs, which was one of the first things we were looking for to actually look for an entry on this trade. And some people might say, Brad, that's kind of crazy. Why were you looking for higher highs as confirmation to enter a trade that you want to go up? Why wouldn't you just buy in at that point? And I'm going to show you why, because there's a lot more points of confirmation that I am looking for before I actually take a trade. A breakout isn't always a breakout. Sometimes you can get caught up in a fake out, so you want to make sure that you have additional confirmation on this trade. So we did not buy in at this overbought point that you can see right here. We actually bought in here on the 22nd. Today is the 29th, so we held this trade for 7 days. It was a nice swing trade that we called out to our team. You can see at our time of entry, we actually came back and respected this overall zone that we actually broke to the upside before becoming overbought up here, forming that higher high. So we then came down after forming that higher high, breaking out of this overall zone. We then came down here and respected this overall zone now to the upside. Before, we were respecting this zone to the downside as a resistance. Now it has flipped and became a support, holding this thing to the upside, which is why I say SIR zone, because it's interchangeable. A support can become a resistance and vice versa, depending on market direction at that point in time. So upon seeing this nice pullback, we slightly came down to the bottom of this RSI zone. So we weren't overbought anymore, and we were actually encroaching on that oversold point. So we're definitely pretty confident that this was going to start going up with this rejection and this RSI looking pretty clean. But we wanted to wait for a little bit more confirmation on this trade. So we waited. As you can see right here, the red line, which is my 5 EMA, is now crossing above the blue, which is my 20 EMA. So on the shorter time frame now, the EMAs are actually crossing over, which means the average price over the last 5 days in the shorter time frame is now going the opposite direction from previous. So looking at that as a possible sign of a trend reversal on top of everything else that we looked at. Then we also had the 5 right here cross above that 20 EMA again, and then that 20 cross above the 50. So we were now EMA stacked to the upside. What that means is that the EMAs were in sequential order. My 5 EMA was on top of my 20, and then my 20 was on top of my 50, which is a strong confirmation of trend when you pair that with other indicators and other forms of technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So make sure you implement all of these things together that we talk about in our video. But you can see right here, our exit point was right here around the 61.8% retracement zone on the Fibonacci, which was the previous zone that we actually came up and tested. So our take profit 100 pip target was actually slightly below that, which we ended up hitting nicely. Now, again, people might have said, Brad, you could have bought in down here and gotten out at this point here, which, you know, the EMAs were stacked. If we clear this off right here, you can see the EMAs were stacked to the upside. You know, we were respecting this overall zone right here at the 23.6% retracement zone on the Fibonacci, but you can see around this point being overbought and then slightly riding out the middle and then becoming overbought again. Before it actually even came all the way up here, it was forming this overbought area. So we were waiting to see if it was going to just break out from that point and possibly just end up pulling back and being a fake out. So we waited for this nice pullback to show us that we were actually holding to the upside before hopping into this trade. So hopefully you guys found some value from this video. I'm going to continue to drop videos like this, but if you want more in-depth training, more in-depth education, and actually to trade one-on-one with me, definitely get into our Discord community and sign up to our free Forex trading course. Links are in the description of this video. We are giving you guys a lot of value and content for free, so definitely take advantage of it. A lot of these people in this industry and other, you know, stocks, cryptos, Forex, whatever it may be, are charging you so much money. We're giving you guys so much for free, so definitely sign up to our Discord, sign up to the free Forex course. Check out the links in the description to get access to our recommended brokerages. You can sign up to Robinhood and Webull to get a free stock on us, and make sure you follow us on all major social media platforms. Definitely appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure if you found any value in this video, you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our videos moving forward. We're giving you guys a lot of content, so definitely want to stay up to date on that. But if you found any value in this video, definitely share it out with your friends and family, or even if you didn't, maybe it's not for you, definitely share it with friends and family that you know who might want to start trading or learning a little bit more about trading, whether the Forex market, stock market, cryptos, anything like that. It is all pretty similar, and I'm trading all of them. I just primarily am focused right now on foreign exchange, but definitely appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. As always, thanks for watching. Peace.